are going to love the 2017 Chevrolet SS. The Chevrolet SS combines power with a refined sophistication. The SS has an array of convenient features that keep you focused on just one thing, driving this exhilarating sports sedan. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, rear performance. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.